Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the storage section, then go to the SD card, then tap here, go to the storage settings and select an option format. Then tap erase and format, and after a few seconds your card will be formatted and be ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.